And they're on our way. Chinoy moving up. Okay, approve. And equal the Sari outside. Senor Vicente is in between runners. Second last, Walk the Talk and Queen's Quest. As they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight. Okay, approve. In command by about a length and a half. Unequal this right behind in second, down in third, Senor Vicente. Then comes Chinoy, Walk the Talk, and Queen's Quest. Heading towards the 1,000 meter mark. Okay, approved. Is still in command, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Unequal still in second and Dottie outside. Senor Vicente moving up. Queen's Quest. Chinoy is by the rail and Walk the Talk. Passing the last 800, it's still okay. Approved by about a length and a half. Unequal is getting closer in second. Senor Vicente remains in third. Chinoy grabbing the fourth spot and Dari outside. Queen's Quest and trailing the group is Walk the Talk as they turn to the last 450. Okay, approved, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Unequal is getting closer in second. Chinoy now in third as they turn for home. Okay, approved this time by about 2 lengths. Running on the outside, Unequal. Chinoy moving up by the rail with the last 150 more to run. Okay, approved. Chinoy leveling up down on the inside. Moves up to take the lead. And leading the finish line, it's going to be Chinoy. Second, Queen's Quest close with okay, approved, Unequal, Walk the Talk, and Senor Vicente.